How to send Canva presentation in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and then go to your design that you want to send. After you're in the design, click on Share at the top right corner of your screen with an arrow. After you click on Share at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find different options pop up. Simply scroll down in the options and you'll find Download. Click on Download. After you click on Download, select what kind of file type you want and then press on Download. After it's downloaded, open a new tab and log into your Gmail account. Then click on Compose at the top left corner of your screen in the Gmail. After you click on Compose, you'll find a pop-up, add to whom you want to send their Gmail, and subject. You can add anything. Now at the bottom, click on the pin-like icon, which is attach files. Now in here, search for the file you downloaded earlier. Click on the file and press on Open. After you do that, it will be attached in the mail. Press on Send at the bottom left corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to send Canva presentation in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.